Hi, welcome back. Today we are doing a little work. So I thought I would invite you to join me in cleaning out my dryer vent. Is that what you thought you were going to do today? It's not what I thought I was going to do today, but I recently bought some new towels, bamboo towels. I don't know if you've ever had those before. I had some in the past and I loved them. But over the years, they got a little flat. So anyway, I bought some new ones. They're super fluffy. And when I pulled out the dryer vent, I couldn't believe the thick layer of fuzz that had accumulated. And it got me to thinking, I wonder how much fuzz, lint, is down in that area. And should I be cleaning that? So I did a little research and they said definitely you should be cleaning out the dryer vent because, and not just the vent, but down deep, because it can back up and cause your dryer to overheat. So I ordered this contraption. It's called a dryer vent cleaning kit, and it comes with some instructions on how to use it. So of course I pulled those instructions out and I was showing it to my husband and he said, "Oh, that's easy. I'll help you with that." So we are going to do the dryer cleaning. I don't want to call it the vent because the tray is sort of what you pull out each time, and I am good about doing that. Every time I put a load in the dryer, I pull it out, I clean off that screen, and I pop it back in and make sure there's no, extra clumps of lint. But according to what I was reading, there might be something down in. So I thought, well, this is a necessary attachment. So we are going to deep clean the dryer today and hope that this little gadget does its job. So let's go clean the dryer. Okay, we're starting with a brand new clean filter and a clean interior so we can tell exactly how much this thing sucked out. Is that gonna fit? You don't have a round one?
There's no round one. It seals it around it. Yeah, it seals it around it.
Okay. Okay.
And
to take the vent out. If there's anything on it, you clean that.
And then
you can guide it with that handle.
Okay. Let me turn it on.
Yep. What's it caught on?
Well, there's a metal strap in there.
Oh.
It's all jammed around it.
I'll be editing that out. Nice grief.
And there's wires connected to it.
The wire got caught in the
black on
plastic.
top.
Oh, yeah, gross. Well, that should have been cleaned out then, right?
You should definitely take this off.
Take it off more often. I don't think we've ever taken that off.
Never. Nobody does. Nobody does. There's two wires you can take off too. Clean this thing.
Do you want a brush?
Well, I want to see if this thing works. Okay, got that out. Okay, now we can turn that thing back on.
You want to take that metal thing off?
It's already is. You really don't need to clean this. You just stick this in there.
Well, let's see if it sucked anything out.
Not very impressive. It's not impressive at all. That's stuff I picked out by hand.
It is?
Yeah, and stuff that.
Well, there's nothing in there.
Yeah.
Maybe I have a very clean dryer.
That tool sucks.
Do you think there's anything in the tube?
No.
Is it a success or a failure? Well, that was kind of a waste of an afternoon. I shouldn't say afternoon, but my husband did clean out the shop vac first so that we could have a very good understanding of how much lint was being sucked through the system. As you could see, not much. So I'm either doing a really good job of cleaning out that vent each time, or there's just not that much getting past the vent in the first place. Anyway, I'm sending it back and I'm getting my 12 bucks back. So it was worth trying because, you know, when we invest in these expensive washer dryer systems, we want to make sure that we keep them in top running order. And I know on the washing machine, we've done some cleaning on that. So it was worth taking a look at what needed to be done on the dryer. So I hope this was helpful. If you have tried something recently and want to share, leave me a comment below. I'm not sure what else needs to be done on the dryer. So if you have some thoughts on that, hey, let us know. If you haven't subscribed, I welcome you each Thursday. And of course, I always will take those thumbs up because it kind of lets YouTube know that this is something that someone else might be interested in. So anyway, as far as my review of the dryer vent cleaning apparatus, as my husband would say, see you next week. Bye.
All right. Now let's try.